and welcome to 3.TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. The virtual digital assets are consolidating during the Asian trade after the latest decision by the global central banks on interest rates driving risky asset prices higher. It seems to be losing power. Also, JP Morgan is advising caution as it sees regulatory approval for spot BTC ETF in the near term to trigger the buy the rumor, sell the fact effect. US Treasury yields slid to a fresh 4-month low while the dollar continued to slide. The US dollar index fell a further 0.18% to 102.7, while the 10-year Treasury yield pushed down further to as low as 3.9845%, breaking below the psychological 4% mark. The IC15 index, the barometer of the top 15 tokens, is 0.24% to 54,256. Bitcoin or BTC once again climbed above $43,000. The largest cryptocurrency was recently trading at $42,755, down 0.5%. Bitcoin prices soared to a 20-month high recently, but they are still down close to 4% this week. BTC's market cap has decreased to $837 billion, but its dominance over the alts has lost some traction and is down to 51.85%. Ethereum was trading at $2,269, a fall of 0.60% in a similar time span. It posted double-digit growth in the past week. US stock futures climbed on Friday after the Dow Jones Industrial Average notched a fresh record, heading for its best weekly winning streak since 2019. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures rose by 57 points or 0.15%. S&P 500 futures inched up 0.08% and Nasdaq 100 futures rose 0.09%. The global crypto market cap now stands at $1.61 trillion, down 0.4% over the last day. The broader market space is buoyed by the Fed's latest interest rate decision. Large cap tokens of Avalanche, Binance, XRP and DogeCoin were sitting in gains. Most altcoins continue to trade in the green zone. Binance BNB was trading 1% lower at $249. Solana's SOL gained 6.8% to trade at $76.4. The coin witnessed an increase in trading volume of 3.89%, which is currently at $1.5. Cardano's ADA token is 0.7% to trade at $0.64. Avalanche AVAX increased by 2% to trade at $39.5. Polygon Matic has lost 2.6% to trade at $0.86. Polkadot's DOT dropped 2% before trading at $7.2. Ripple's XRP added 0.7% to trade at $0.63. DogeCoin was 5.1% higher at $0.097. Shiba Inu is 2.6%. Interesting trends have also emerged among AI tokens such as Injective, Fetch.ai, RNDR, etc. Nitish Mishra has joined us to explain the optimism among these tokens. Let's hear it.
So the digital passport for world, or the digital world passport is I would definitely think it to be not a very uncommon idea in the blockchain industry in general, because blockchain industry itself has been dealing with quite a lot of decentralized identity, or DID as we know it. But having said that, one thing is pretty interesting that this thing will definitely have a greater impact on bot-based losses. Many a times when you go on these trading platforms, you're not actually dealing with a person or a peer on the other side. You're actually dealing with maybe a bot, or maybe a code that is written in order to basically fool you and make sure that somehow you're drained out of your money. So basically, I think decentralized identity will definitely play a very important role, or this digital passport as we call it will definitely play a significant role, because the very first reason is that your privacy is still taken care of in such solutions, because nobody's checking the exact age, gender, race, or anything like that. All they check is whether you're eligible to be a participant of that particular network, or that particular solution, that particular dApp, or that particular application. So I think this is a very good idea when it comes to making sure that prevention is better than cure. But still, there's a long way to go. It's easily said than done. I think the losses can still be prevented, but I think it's really up to the institutions and also up to the decentralized organizations as well, both of them combined, in order to make sure that this kind of solutions stick and people are able to actually understand what kind of solution or what kind of privacy plus security it brings. So it's yet to be seen, but I'm pretty optimistic about it.
Thank you so much for sharing your views with us. That's all in Coin Monitor for now. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. Do like, share and subscribe to 3.2TV. And for more information and stories, log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code. With 3.2TV, stay connected with the world of blockchain. Stay up to date with infinite world of NFTs. Come explore and evolve with 3.2TV in the Metaverse.
So many coins, so much volatility. 3.2TV delivers the news that matters.
Bitcoin infrastructure firm Blockstream is set to launch Series 2 of its Bitcoin-denominated investment vehicle, the Blockstream ASIC note, following a successful Series 1 oversubscription. The Series 1 note launched in September closed above its $5 million target. Series 2, in collaboration with Luxembourg-based digital securities platform Stork, targets qualified non-US investors aimed to capitalize on historically low prices for Bitcoin mining hardware. Dr. Adam Back, CEO and co-founder of Blockstream, aims to capitalize on the momentum by offering non-US investors a strategic entry point into the Bitcoin ASIC market through a Bitcoin basis product. A total of $4.88 million from Series 1 was allocated to the acquisition of high-efficiency Antminer S19K Pro ASIC miners, leveraging its relationship with wholesale distributor Sunnyside Digital to secure bulk discounts. The period following the purchase saw a 9.25% increase in ASIC quotes, influenced by the appreciation in Bitcoin prices. Each series issues a unique set of basic notes via the Liquid network, a sidechain protocol built on top of the Bitcoin blockchain. Shiba Inu's Layer 2 blockchain Shibarium has reached a milestone by surpassing 100 million transactions, marking a significant development in the cryptocurrency industry. The surge in network activity led to a daily transaction count of 7.36 million, bringing the total transaction count to 103.31 million. Shibarium's official communication channels have acknowledged this achievement as a moonstone, highlighting its monumental nature. The Shiba Inu community has been integral to Shibarium's success, as seen in shared screenshots of conversation with its lead developer Satoshi Kusama on the AI chatbot ChatGPT. This turnaround in fortunes reflects the evolving nature of blockchain technology and the cryptocurrency market, as well as the increasing acceptance and usage of Shibarium by users and developers. Kronos Labs, the Web3 startup accelerator behind the Kronos ecosystem, has launched a zero-knowledge Ethereum virtual machine testnet blockchain network on top of the Ethereum Sepolia testnet. The Kronos ZK EVM chain testnet is a hyperchain using the ZK scalable transparent argument of knowledge modular framework and runs alongside a common settlement on the Ethereum mainnet. The chain is secured by the Ethereum testnet from a final settlement and data availability standpoint. By 2024, the network will adopt a shared native bridge to the Ethereum mainnet, allowing users to send tokens and messages while enjoying the latter's security. The ZK EVM testnet is the first public testnet utilizing the ZK stack framework.